Grr with me. So for today is kukuha ako ng aking yearbook and get ready with me. For the pants, I'll be using this flare pants na super long, in which na-use ko na to. So hindi na to bago sa inyo. And knowing na school yung pupuntahan ko, so siguro dapat maging demure ako. So I'm planning sana to wear a short skirts, but then again, I cannot. So let's go with the pants. And for the top, I'll be using my crop top na shirt. So kasi nga school yung pupuntahan, hindi rin naman ako pwedeng mag-sleeveless, which yun talaga yung aking forte sa content na ito, yung labas talaga yung kaluluwa. Pero today, I kinda deviate my content for my yearbook so that makaget ako. So this is it. Simple lang talaga yung atake natin for today para papasukin tayo sa campus. Add na rin tayo ng belt para may accessory tayo aside from the necklace. Ayan na siya. Andiyan sa likod. And this is for my shoes. Kakabili ko lang to yesterday. And this is for only 100 pesos sa ukay-ukay. So, since I'm wearing a brown belt, I wanted to wear a brown shoes. Ano ba tawag dito? Loafers? Or what? Yeah, to give the retro vibe and the flare thing din there. For my bag, I'll be wearing this, or I'll be using this one. So it's matchy with the belt and the shoes. So I guess that's it. So papapasukin na ba ako nito sa aking campus or sa school? Malalaman kung makukuha natin ang ating yearbook. So, yun lang. Bye! Papakita ko sa inyo yung yearbook ko.